see this video, this is your sign to go ahead and start the vlog, sis. Hi besties, welcome back for another video. My good friend, my good sis Keisha decided to entrust her hair in my hands and let me establish her loc journey. Clap it up, clap it up. I established them on this day. I know it was in December. When you go to the hair people, they always have them crazy rules. So I made my own little flyers that I'll put in here so you can have a little cackle with me. So basically, this video kicks off from after she's had her 2-strand twist in for a couple weeks. We did a whole establishing the rotation of her interlockings. The second portion of me doing her hair, I washed her hair. We did her, technically her first retie. I figured that I would wash her hair because it would motivate me to wash my hair, which it didn't. It didn't. Like, my hair's done now. I have 146 locks. I didn't count Keisha's, but by the time I post this video, if I did count them or if I do count them, I'll put it on here. Should I have counted her locks on the way? Yeah, I should have, but I was more focused on getting the parting right. I was very tedious about the parting, so I made sure that I parted more consciously because obviously since I'm doing somebody else's hair, I can see everything that I'm doing. For me, I mean, ain't nobody gonna tell me that I did it wrong, but I really didn't care. I was gonna establish my locks the way that I want to. Technically, Keisha's locks are gonna be classified as micro locks because they're smaller than traditional, but they're not as small as sister locks. Please don't come in the comments talking about these are micro locks because micro locks have a grid pattern.
We do not care.
This is the journey of me establishing my very first person's locks and being able to watch them from the beginning, and just watching Keisha fall in love with her hair is just gonna be a good experience. But I'm gonna stop talking. I'm gonna go ahead and let the video play. The rest of this video is going to pretty much be a voiceover, but yeah. Welcome. Oh no. Welcome. We started locks. So I already started, but we're gonna do, I'm gonna show you how I do this one. So this part right here is me just doing a real-time 2-strand twist. So it's gonna take me a minute because I wanted to show you exactly like how long it takes me to do like one twist. But the reason why I'm twisting her hair is because some of them came loose or they're parting just need to be reestablished. So I went ahead and did that as I went, and then I interlocked each row as I was going. All right, we're gonna do 4-point rotation. Even though I'm probably not gonna use this voice, but I need to know for me. So we're gonna do 4-point rotation, but we're starting with down. So we're gonna down. Wait. We're gonna do north, west, south, east, north again. So we just want to make sure that we end it with down just so that the locks can lay flat. If you can't get that last rotation in to make it go down to lay flat, do not force it. Whatever direction it stops, I guess that's just where it stops. I mean, I guess it matters, but more so you just don't want the client to be in pain getting that last rotation. Then down the line, it'll cause breakage in how the lock is set up. So there'll be like random bumps and stuff from you interlocking wrong. So that's what this is, just real time me showing the interlock. This one, I couldn't get that last rotation in there and we're not gonna cause any pain. So now I'm gonna go through and do the rest of them.
Me a break, 'cause I need to get away, yeah.
God, won't you send me a break? Cause I need to get away. Cause I would rather be running away. I would rather be running. Dear God, won't you send me a break? Cause I need to get away. I need to get away now.
Now this is the finished product. This is the first rotation. Now we're just gonna spritz it with water. Good old plain H2O. Here we go. Here we are. The sun. Let's count it down together, Squidward. Okay. Any words, Keisha? Thanks.
3 weeks later.
Keisha's here for her touch-up. Oh, these are doing good. It's looking really good. We just have the corner, this one, and then one on the other side.
That's the one
we
that
just have to. We just have to separate them because when we first were doing it, it would have been too thin. So I'll be able to evaluate if this should be just one or this could be two. And then we're gonna wash her hair, but that's not gonna be on camera. And then send her on her way. Her head tilted to the side just like her eyeballs. Is this Naruto? She using talk no jutsu? Alright, we're gonna go wash Keisha's hair now. Oh snap. Oh snap. Oh! Oh snap! There you go! Oh snap!
God, you call me by my name. The love you give me, I just can't deny. Yeah. No longer blinded, I can see you. I'm on my way to meet you. We gotta talk, you know. All these trials and tribulations got me tired, I need rest. And I heard that I can come to you when weary of my flesh. You awaken me from death. God, I need you. No more walking by the flesh, that's when I leave you. God told me I'm someone, 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 know that I'm someone, no, I'm a child of God. I wanna go to Golly way, close to your love again. I give my heart again, Jesus. I wanna go to Golly way, close to your love again. I give my heart again, Jesus. I know you know me well. I feel invisible until you tell me you're right here. I cancel plans with you to meet with sin and break your heart. Sometimes I go to you for what you give, not who you are. I wonder if you'll leave for me. God, just tell me what you need from me. Is the Holy Spirit still in me? God, I'm asking you for clarity, even though you told me already. God told me I'm someone, 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 know that I'm someone, no, I'm a child of God.
Alright, and this is the finishing of Keisha's hair. Oh, my bed's dirty. Don't look at it. Thank you guys for tuning in. I hope you enjoyed this video. Let me know what you want to see next. Okay, go ahead.